Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a Python password generator. It's quite a fun project to do. It's a good introductory project to do if you're starting out. It can be pretty challenging to figure out, but once you know it, it's very easy and you can do it over and over in different cases or different concepts. So yeah, let's get started. So first we've got to import random. And then I got a word list text file here, so I just took this and then I'll paste it here. Okay, cool. So now we've got a bunch of words or adjectives there. Let's do a special character now. So let's go special. We can call this maybe special char, if I can spell right. Char is equal to, and then let's make a list of special characters. So exclamation mark, comma, at sign. Let me just make this better. Let's do a hashtag. Let's do $sign as well. And then let's do a question mark. Okay, so we've got our special characters, and let's maybe do one more. Let's do an object. So let's call this object underscore list. We can have a bunch of physical things you can touch. So let's say a car, a house, maybe a bike, a fork to eat with. What else? Controller. Everyone knows what that is. A hat. Food, maybe like bread. And let's do one more after this. You can add as many as you can afterwards if you want, more of a complete random word. Let's do a pen. Pen, cool. Okay, so we've got all the things that we're going to combine. Now we just need to make the actual function to combine it. So let's do 2 lines. Def, and then we can say, let's call it password underscore generator. We're not going to need any parameters for this function, so don't worry about that. And let's start off with the words. Let's go random underscore word is equal to random dot choice and then word. And then let's capitalize the first word so it doesn't look as raw. So we go random word underscore capital is equal to random word dot. Let's use the capitalized function. This capitalized function capitalizes the first word of the random word we get from here. The first letter, sorry. And yeah, now let's move on to let's do special chars. Let's go special. We now have to name this random char now. Because remember, we're assigning it's gonna get a random value and assign it to this variable that we made there, which is random char. So we're gonna say random char equals random dot choice and then special char. So now it's going to take a random char or a special character from here, randomize it, and then assign it to our random char. And that's the same that happens with the random word. It takes a random word from our words list here and assigns it to random word. And then we're reassigning it again because we want to capitalize it to random word capital. Now let's do the object one. So let's go random object. Where's my bit? There you go. Random object equals random dot choice and then object list. Okay, cool. I am forgetting. We should probably do a number here. A number would be cool for every parcel has a number. So let's just do. Oh no, wait. I know what. We don't even need to make a list for numbers. I'm being dumb. We can just do this. Random dot random integer, and then we can say 1 to 100. And let's assign this to random underscore number is equal to random. And I think that's it for our function. So now we just gotta print, say, your randomly generated password is, and then we have 4 things just so. Then we go dot format, and what we can start off with the random word capital first, then comma, then we want our object next, object list, then we want our special character, so random char, and I need to call a random object, not object list, random object, and then our random number last. Okay, cool, so that's our function, and then we can just do an input and say, oh, we can actually just do this, input, and we can go press enter to generate a password. And then we can call our function, which is password generator. Okay, cool, let's test it out now. Enter assorted controller 84. I mean, it sounds more like a gamer tag, but you know, no one will really guess that as a password, and it's quite easy to remember for yourself. But yeah, you can mess around with this and change things. You can also, I guess you could use this as a name tag generator in a video game, or if you want to change your name on Instagram to something. Elated car at 97. So it's quite an Instagram name there. Okay, if you have a car page. And yeah, thank you for watching.